Hey guys, it's Wanda from Crazy Days. Today we're in town and I'm picking up a couple more packs of canning jars. I'm going to be canning some blueberry jam and I'm going to have a video up soon. My editing program was messing up yesterday, so I've got to learn a new editing program or figure out how to get the old one working again. I don't know what I'm going to do. But I'm going to be canning blueberry jam. Got more beans to can. We've got squash going in the freeze dryer. I'm going to have a video on how we like those. Freeze dryer with squash, cucumbers, and blackberries. So we'll talk about that in a future video. Canning. I told you I would do a canning class, and it's going to be at my house. I have limited space. It's going to be June the 26th on a Saturday from 9 to 1, and we're going to have fun. We're going to learn to can, and so if you're interested, send an email to deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com for any of the information and things like that. Limited class. I'm talking limited, very limited. I don't know what we're canning yet. Probably potatoes. I got lots of potatoes. We have a lot of people wanting to know about potatoes, and it's going to be bring your own lunch, but I will do some cooking, probably so people can test some of the products that we would be canning. So if you're interested, let me know. I'm just waiting on Danny, so I thought I'd do this quick little video, send it up. Contact me, Deep South Homestead. We're going to learn to can. So many people have said I'm afraid of canning, and it's not going to be on video. I may take some video or have somebody take some video, but this canning class is strictly for the ones that want to come. It's not going to be a video class. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.